Okay guys, back to this hose that's pretty much destroyed. What I gotta do is pull off all the old pieces. This is the other half of it. It's like literally falling apart. I guess it's just age. And there we go. Easy enough. Down to the handy dandy auto parts store here. Got me a new one. I mean, it's super cheap. Oh, hang on, this is gonna be a two-hand job. I don't know if y'all can hang on and I can hang on with two hands. Well, I may. Let's see if you know what? I got such thick tires, I might be able to prop your phone up. Can you still see me? Yeah. Man, I got some tires that are big enough for a phone prop. Think I can tear some mud up with that? I know I can. I've done it. A little awkward under here. Just want to make sure I got that on tight. I don't want it falling off again. I believe that's good. Run it this way. I need to zip tie it. So it doesn't get hung on something. This is what I'm working on down here. Trying to get it on the other side. See that? So, I got one vacuum hose. Oh, looky here. Built-in zip ties. Imagine that. Who was the smart one that did that? Oh, well, the smart person would have run it through there. Alright, let me back this out.